Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can delete the password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Now hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords and enter your current login method. Then hit Delete next to Edit and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!